Mic test, mic test, mic test. What's my intro? What I say? If I start the video?
Mic test, mic.
No, the other one.
Hi everybody.
Ay, ay, ay. Hala, tuwang-tawa ka naman. Natatakot na nga yung tao. Hi, Patan! Ano, minamarites niyong dalawa dyan. Huling-huli ka sa camera. Marites mo talaga. Chismoso kang buisit ka. Look. It's running. Hey, hoy, sumama ka dito. Hey everybody, Kay Dorato here. We're still here in Swabi, Pakistan. Nagbubugbugan sila. Okay.
Not this side.
I know, but we will walk, diba?
You walk, diba?
Okay, yes. Okay, let's start the video. Ay! This is, who is this?
Iqbal Kids.
Ah, okay. The one who always come to us.
And this stuff.
Lang makeup yan, ah.
And this stuff.
Sige. Sige, sabihin mo sa vlog ko yan para mag-edit na naman ako. Diba? Hindi ko masimulan yung intro ko. Let's go. Oh. Okay, let's do the intro once again. Hey everybody, Kay Dorato here. For today's video, come with us as we go for a little hike. Huwag ka nang mantakot, Mukhtar. Diba, hindi pa nagsisimula, hinihingal na ako. So, as you can see, if you watch my previous vlogs, you can see that we have been eating a lot. So, I'm on a quest. I have committed that I need to do a little walking every single day. Assalamualaikum. Every single day that we should climb at least one small mountain just to, you know, ay, hindi mo dinala yung payong ko. Patan, the umbrella.
Don't need umbrella.
I-stress ako sa'yo, Patan, the water, the umbrella.
You not take, right?
I thought it's with you. Maldita. Naka-record pala, buwisit. Okay, so here we are. We have started. Hindi na natapos yung intro ko, hayaan mo na. Alam nyo naman na yan. Kayo na lang ang magsabi, charas. Hi. I wanna go out a little late pa sana, but let's see. Nag-sunblock naman ako. This is the mountain. Everybody. This is the mountain, everybody. Hi, say hi. Mag-say hi ka dito. Hi ka. Say hi. Hi. Mahiyain. This is, again, said is Mukhtar's brother's cousin. Ano? Nephew? Paano ba?
Cousin son.
O, cousin son daw. O, ganun. Hoy, just like Philippines, they also have the lady's finger. The okra. Hi, someone is there. Someone's talking. Huh? I can hear. See? Told you. Mamaya pa sana ako lalabas kasi di ba sa sunset nga ako maganda. Hoy, see the road. If you watch Harry Potter, it looks like one of those scenes. One of those scenes. O, bahala kayo dyan. Yung ano, yung may snow. Tapos inangat yung babae. Parang ito yun, di ba? Ito yung nai-imagine ko doon.
Pero go.
I don't know. Doon tayo sa lesson. Here.
It's easy.
Yeah. Diba? Their place is beautiful but lots of basura.
Basura. This one basura?
Yeah, basura. Basura, the garbage. Oh, tell the story about this mountain, Patan.
Okay. Injection basura.
Tell the story about this mountain. When you were a kid.
Yeah, we are fighting
Here.
between two streets.
Two street? Yeah, two street, yeah.
Yeah.
See this, when they were a kid.
Yeah, we are throwing the stones
Yeah.
to each other. But we go out from there, then finish, no more fight.
Like what? Hi.
Right?
Pagod na ako.
We take a stone like this and throw it like this.
Ay, tara mo sila, ulo siya. Oh. Talagang sinampol niya pa. Ulo ka talaga.
And finish fighting, tell to each other, let's go down, finish fighting, and together
Pagod na ako. I have a videographer, I told you. Hi, anong binubulong-bulong mo dyan, Seth? Nasa mic ka. Everybody, we are walking right now. Hoy, takot ako dito sa mga tusok-tusok. Wait lang. Nadali na ako niyan 3 times. Buisit na yan. Patan, show the mountain and the village. Ay, wait, I will call your brother. He told me he wants to join the vlog. Okay. Oh my God. Wait, I'll call your brother. He said he wants to join to the vlog. Okay, let's go. Come. Go, take to tayo. Why he's not answering? Kakaloka. Ay, Patan, this is Topic's brother. Tell him.
Topic brother.
Yeah, come here. Tofik. Because he said he wants to join the vlog. Oh, you talk to
Hello.
him. I hold the camera. Everybody, this is really gonna be like a quick vlog, has. Just so you know, this is like my daily life here. Since I don't have internet access, I have to make the most out of my time. So I can show you a lot of things here. And it's beautiful, trust me. Kasi dapat maya pa kami para it's more beautiful. Because now it's a little hot. See the place? Oh, my place is hot na. What? What is it?
He said it's not in the village.
Where? Nila. Hi, Eto na ang mga pa-obstacles. See the stones. Zed, yala go. Hoy, Zed If I fall down, we fall down. Both of us. So let's go. Someone needs to hold me because I cannot see. I'm holding the camera. I see. Yan na. Munti ka na, munti ka na. Munti ka na. Hoy, daing patus. Day, pag naano ka dito, if you fall down here, basag talaga yung bungo mo, day. Trust me. Bakit parang Bisaya ni accent ko recently?
No ambulance.
Ha? Yeah, this is here if you fall down, I die. No ambulance. Okay. Okay, Zed, you have to hold me. Like really hold me because it's madulas. Ha? Okay. Uy, grabe pag nalaglag ka talaga dito, day. Ayan na, 'di ba? Zed, let's go. Okay. Patan. Zeda. Hi, Chocolate Hills. Daming Chocolate Hills dito. Tara. Sabi niya may woods. Ito talaga si Patan. Asan ang mga woodening? Patan, where? So nagpagod tayo para sa wala. Visit ka. Buisit ka talaga, Muktiara. Ano kayong title ng vlog na to? Patan, what's the title of this vlog?
I don't know.
What do you think I put on YouTube? Bagal mag-isip? Bagal mag-isip?
Nasakit pa mo.
Patan, where? Kati-kati na. Oh, this is the moment that I regret my decision. Hi, but we have been doing this for 3 days. But in the morning time, not afternoon. But I woke up late today, so I have to do it afternoon. Makati to eh. Okay, this is the way. Hi. We can sit here. I'm tired na again. Diba, hiking is not for me. But pabebe hike, it's fine. Hi! Videographer! Patan, get woods na then we run. Yala, dali na.
One day I cut my this here.
Yeah.
You see this one?
Oh, because of, this one is this.
Yeah.
Really?
I cut, yeah, this place.
Yeah, get natin. Get natin. Dali na. Just,
Don't have cutting, huh?
ano, just like this na.
You do na.
Oy, bot ako. I'm tired na.
Yeah, sit here.
No, it's okay. Let's walk because here no sun. But if there's sun, let's stop again. We should finish around 6:30, like this. No. What time is the program of Nasif?
Dinner, here around 8 o'clock.
8, okay. We're already hungry that time.
You know, here, the time of the lunch, dinner, breakfast.
We're always having lunch actually 1 or 2.
No, here is 1 to 12 o'clock.
Hoy! Sipatan talaga.
Even someone invite you for lunch,
Mm.
you have to go there 12 to 12:30. These people lunch time.
But we're having lunch at home at 2 p.m.
Yeah, at home is okay, but if you go somewhere, then
If it's other house.
because not good to meeting them,
Okay.
waiting long.
Patan what? 12 to 12:30. Yeah,
Yeah.
I noticed that.
And evening, we'll finish pray Maghrib,
After the last prayer, no?
not the last one.
Before the 6 p.m. or 7.
Yes, that one. After
How you call that? Adan? No.
Maghrib Adhan, namaz.
Maghrib Adan.
After Maghrib namaz,
Mm.
the Maghrib pray.
What?
Have a sit, sir. Madam.
Again, we sit. Di ka nagdala ng water.
I will send Zain.
Zed, come here.
He will bring
Who? Call someone. Who? Zed?
Zain.
No, it's okay.
It's near only 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes ang haba lang nilakad.
It's for you long time. He will go 5 minutes. 15 minutes he will be back.
No, it's okay.
Water
No na.
for me.
For you. Ikaw pala yung may gusto, buwisit ka talaga. Ha, ito lang mga hanggang dito. Ang dami na namin bigla. 3 lang, 4 lang kami kanina. Mag-hi kayo. Say hi. Hi. Ay, yo. Hi. Wait, I wanna see. Hi. You. Hi. Diba, ang dami na namin nag-hike bigla. Nakakaloka. Hoy, tignan niyo yung mga stone.
There is hot.
I know. Hoy, eto na, malapit ang mag-sunset. Diba, hindi mo kaya yung vlog ko, may oras lang. Siyempre, we have to take advantage of the good lighting. Alangan naman mag-vlog ka, tapos hindi pabor sa'yo yung sunlight. Kailangan yung lighting, it favors your skin. And sunset is the best for me. Sunrise, it's okay lang. I'm also white in sunlight. But I like the sunset because it's a mix of like the warmth, the yellow, and I don't know, basta. I like sunset for the vlog. Because I tried going out like around 12. My God, I look so haggard. I don't like my skin. Yes. Assalamualaikum. How are you? Singay. Okay, you go.
Brother of Iqbal. Big brother of Iqbal.
Biggest? The oldest?
Yeah, the oldest.
Okay, wait, the son. Okay.
Dubai na
Said, let's go. Another obstacles. Gusto ko to, nakakaano to. Okay, after 5 minutes of rest, we have to walk again. Wait nga. Ay! Hoy, let's go. Kaya natin to. Diba? Everyday mo nga ginagawa. You go first, Ed. Ay, this is it na, Patan. We have reached our destination. Diba, nakaka-Waze and Google Maps.
I put your stone. No, Lisa.
For what?
To your sit.
No, it's na. We go there, then we go down na.
But there is hut.
No, just show and then we go back. Okay? Remember that place? Okay, we're not gonna wait for sunset. So we can just reach the point. But then this is the one, right? The last time?
That one, the last.
Here we go there. Hi, we have reached the point. Peak point? Ay, di ko alam tawag. I forgot na. Basta yung dulo ng bundok yung mataas. Here is enough na. Huwag na tayo doon. This is the same. Di ba ayaw na? Dito na lang pwede na yan. That's the point. But eto na pwede na yan. Same lang yan. Ay! Di ba? Ay! Dami kong ka-trekking buddies! Sinaktan yung bata. What? See what? Hi! Kayo! Pakita mo ang mga bagat sumahabol, si Anasa at si Adele. Oh! Tumatakbo pa! Talaga naman.
Dorothy serba selalu barilnya.
I come very quickly, faster.
Pada era pas saraj mali bagulung kan.
Like this.
The visitor for today. Come, Rasha. Say hi to my vlog. Hi! Mag-hi ka na sa vlog. Huwag ka na mahiya. The mahiyain kasinupatan. Nephew. Pwede na rin yun. And the yaman. Another one. Hi! He was with us last night. Enjoying the program.
Yeah.
Let's take picture. No, it's not good, no. It's hot.
Go there.
Let's go there na. On top again? What's that, Patan?
This is.
Yeah, there.
He make the place. He's sitting there.
Okay. So let's go there. Everybody, we were there earlier, as you can see. And then we decided to go to the ano na. Ano man tawag dyan? Peak point. Basta yung ganun. Basta alam mo na sa mountain kapag na-reach mo na yung pinakamataas. Yun na yun. Kayo nang bahala mag-adjust. Taray. Dami namin kasama. 4 lang kami kanina. Magpakita ka, Anasa.
Boleh.
Magpakita ka. Hoy, Sed, anong ginagawa mo? Busy ka dyan? Ano kinakain? Kumakain siya ng damo. He's eating the grass. Yung mga bata. Hoy, alam mo yung mga bagay. You know the kids here, when they see a grass, they pick it and they eat it. Oh my God. Kakaloka sila. Tira mo si Patan. Tira mo, oh. Tira mo siya, oh. Sa ibabaw ng bundok. Chismis. Diba? Chismoso. Told you he's chismoso. Dito pa siya nakikipagmarites. Kakaloka siya. O, tira mo. Chara!
Udah sih dah. Bisa mobile di kana.
Ito mo siya, ah. Chismoso ang kaloka. Hi, Patan! Ano ang minamarites niyong dalawa dyan? Huling-huli ka sa camera. Marites mo talaga, chismoso kang buisit ka. Kung tawa ka pa, buisit ka. Hoy, look at the mountain, everybody! Yeah, diba? That's we were there the last time, no?
Morning we was there.
That's there?
You see what is this place going like this?
Okay. So earlier this morning, we went, I told him that we should go to village to show the village life. Doon niya pala ako dinala. Nag-trekking kami dahil nang wala sa oras. Hindi kasama sa usapan yon. Hoy, see, diba? I told you, and that's our village. Our village, see, that's my village na. I'm so proud of me. I did this. Everybody, that's the end of this very, very quick trekking. I just really wanted to show you like what I do after, because again, this is village. It's not like city, like when you finish eating you can like make video call. Again, we don't have signal here and there's no place like a mall, so you have to really make the most out of your time. So every after eating, as much as possible, we wanna go here but we cannot. So we cannot go in the morning, so we go in the afternoon. And if we didn't go here, we're gonna just walk to the village like 2 times, just rounding, just to, you know, make sure that the food that we eat will go down there. I see all the kids. I'm so happy. We're a lot today. And this is the mountain. Again, everybody. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Again, this is really gonna be a short vlog. I hope it's not boring. So again, thank you for watching. This is Kate Toretto, and you have a good day. Bye-bye. Nasa? Rasha? Shoot, ang lakas. Lakas pala ng hangin dito. Kami. Hug me.
Ha?
Ano? Ha?
Picture.
Saan?
Picture.
Where? Here?
Video.
Video. May paano ka na naman eh. May paano ka na naman eh. Like this. Let's go down. Huwag mo akong atakin.